Dear students, greetings to all. In this module, we'll be continuing with our ongoing chapter of biology, chapter 6, molecular basis of inheritance. In this module, we will be discussing the genetic code. A genetic code is defined as the relationship between the sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide chain and the nucleotide sequence of DNA or messenger RNA, that is mRNA. The genetic code. Now, what is a genetic code? It is the relationship between the nitrogenous bases and the amino acids that result in a formation of a protein chain that's a polypeptide chain by the process of translation. The sequence of three bases is referred to as a codon. Now let us presume this to be the single-stranded mRNA comprising of the nucleotide bases AUG, UAC, so on and so forth. So starting from the 5' end, we've got a unit of triplet, and thus there are 9 codons in all in this mRNA strand. The genetic code. George Gamow suggested that for coding 20 amino acids, the sequence could be made up of 3 nucleotides, that is 64 codons. So 4 raised to the power 3, 4 multiplied by 3 times, it will give 64. Hargobind Khorana, he developed the chemical method in synthesizing RNA molecules with well-defined combination of bases, homopolymers and copolymers. Marshall Nirenberg developed cell-free system for protein synthesis. OCOA enzyme, that's a polynucleotide phosphorylase, is used to bring about the polymerization of RNA with defined sequence in a template-independent manner. The scientists were conferred the Nobel Prize for this landmark discovery. The 20 types of amino acids which are involved in the process of translation, which are essential and non-essential, are alanine, represented as ALA, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine as CYS, glutamine, glutamic acid as GLU, glycine, histidine, isoleucine as ISO, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, proline, serine, threonine, tryptophan, tyrosine is represented as TYR and valine as VAL. Thus, this is a diagrammatic representation of a polypeptide which is formed from the messenger RNA which has been transcribed from the DNA. Now the genetic code dictionary, that is the checkerboard of the genetic code. The codons for the various amino acids, that is the 64 codons, have been mentioned in this checkerboard. How to write this checkerboard? On the top, we are going to write the nucleotide UCAG. On the left hand side, again, we'll write UCAG. On the right top, we are going to represent one box as UCAG in continuation, and then we are going to use the first 2 nucleotides, the letters, as UU. In the second case, that is, we are going to use the letter, here we'll use the letter as UC. For the third checkerboard, it will be, for the next block, it will be UA. And fourth, it will be represented as UG. Then again in the lower block, it will be represented as CU. So in this manner, the 64 codons, they were created where there are just 20 amino acids, and the codons will be repetitive in nature, and they can be represented as, like here, Phenylalanine is encoded by UUU as well as UUC. Then we've got proline encoded by the 6 different codons. In this manner, the 64 codons, they code for 20 amino acids. There are certain tricks to remember the codons, and how can we do that? We'll try to understand it out. Like if I take the first row over here, I can represent, I will have to represent it as 2 6 3 1 2 6 3 1 4. So that stands for 2 amino acid of phenylalanine, 6 of leucine, 3 of isoleucine, 1 of methionine. That's the initiation codon which encodes for amino acid methionine. So that's just the one codon which is coding for methionine, and it acts as a start codon, that's the dual function. And then valine, that is 4. So we can remember it as 26314. Phenylalanine, leucine, isoleucine, methionine and valine. Later, we have got a easier method of remembering, because all of the codons, all of the amino acids, they are 4. 4 of serine, 4 of proline, 4 of threonine, 4 of alanine. Then we'll have to remember it as 2222. So that goes as 2 for tyrosine, 2 for the stop codon, 2 for histidine, 2 for GLN, 2 for ASN, 2 for lysine, and 2 for aspartic acid and the glutamic acid. Those are the acidic amino acids. Then we'll have to use the next theme, that will be 2. So we are going to write it as, we'll write it as 2, 1 for the stop codon, 1 again for tryptophan, 4 for arginine, 2 for serine, 2 for arginine, and 4 for glycine. So it will go as 211422. So let us revise it out again. For the first row, it will be 26314. For the second, it will be 4444. Next, it will be 2222. For the next one, it will be 21142224. So this sequence, it can be remembered using the Hindi terminology like fir lenge ice mango wapas. So that's the methodology to remember it out. For the next, we can use it like Sir for serene proposed the auntie for A. The third can be represented as Tyson stopped his guest and lied, as for aspartate glucose, the aspartic acid. Later on, we can use the Hindi terminology like Chirag stopped. So we'll do it in this manner. Chirag stopped telling for TRP, Arun for ARG, Sharma about gun. So this is the Hindi methodology by which we can learn the genetic code. So that's the trick for remembering it out. So in this module, we had a detailed discussion on the genetic code. In the next module, we will be discussing about the salient features of the genetic code. Hopefully, you must have garnered all the concepts thoroughly. Thank you for being a patient listener.